Good day, everyone. We are here in our dojo to practice with my senpai son Jesse Roveres. We first do exercise and stretching to tone our muscle and to avoid injury or strain. Our next to practice is about kumite. We will participate in a sports tournament this coming Sunday. In kumite, we have to focus on action and reaction. Read the eyes of your opponent. When he moves, you have to take action. Stay on guard. Junction. Make sure you have a good form. Effectiveness of technique, timing, and distance before you throw your technique. Also, in the rules, competitor must display good sporting attitude, listen to the referee, display respect to everyone. Other things to remember in committee, you have to stay calm, empty your mind, no distraction, focus only to your goose. If you like my content, you can follow me and my page or subscribe subscribe to my page so that you will be the first to update my content. I will appreciate it very much. Thank you and have a good day.
Shop. Yung mga piston.
Bili ko na noon. Ito ko bumili mo 500.
150 lang yun. Saan ko binili yung dati? Mura lang yan. Baka yung binili mo yung dalawa.
Hindi, isa lang. Ito lang.
Sa taas lang.
Kung 500 na yung bili ko sa market.
Anong kulay?
Bili lang.
Oh, yung kulay lang. 200 plus.
Hirapan ako yung hulma. Kasi nakagal mo siya. Nakagal ka siya. Yung hing na hulma ko. Nakagal, kinakagal ko din. Hindi ko hulma din.
Tatak ko na. Yung mga